Until recently, high BP or hypertension used to be the disease of the old. But as you might have observed through various news articles, people who are much younger, in their 30s or even younger, are suddenly collapsing and developing serious complications. Why is this happening? What is wrong with today's lifestyle? How can this be prevented? And also, how to effectively treat high blood pressure. This video will provide answers to all these questions, so do watch the video till the end. Namaste, I'm Dr. Tejaswini and welcome to Best of Homeopathy. Our heart is actually a pump which pushes out good blood, which is rich in oxygen and nutrients, to different parts of the body. The heart keeps pumping, meaning it will contract and relax. When the heart contracts, the blood rushes out of it at a pressure of 120 millimeter of mercury. And when it relaxes, the blood moves out at about 80 millimeter of mercury. This is why whenever you take a blood pressure reading, you get two values. So when the systolic value raises above 135 or 140 and the diastolic value raises above 90 or 95, it means that you have developed high blood pressure and would need medical treatment. However, as a person grows old, the inside of these blood-carrying blood vessels undergoes certain changes. That is, they become harder and it is also called as arteriosclerosis. So naturally, the blood pressure inside increases. That is why for people who are aged above 50 or 60 years, their blood pressure, the normal range will be 140 by 95 millimeter of mercury. Getting your BP monitored regularly and beginning early treatment is very important, as otherwise, if ignored, high blood pressure can lead to some very serious complications like kidney damage, heart problems, or in the long run, even your eyesight could be affected. If you look at today's society, we are living in a very fast and very competitive world. Everybody, every day, are running behind their own targets which they have to complete. Students are preparing day and night without proper relaxation for various competitive exams. Even though they have achieved excellent marks with distinction, they worry about the few marks which are lost instead of celebrating their success. Working professionals, on the other hand, with their EMIs, other loans, children's education, their own retirement planning, and other things, have no time for their own family, friends, and themselves. So whether it is a student or a working professional, all are under great stress. So to find some kind of relaxation, instead of going for a walk or spending time with friends or developing some hobbies, what we do instead is open up our social media. There we feel that everybody else is living a much better life than us. So along with all these stresses, developing other habits like smoking, alcohol, or always eating outside food spoils our health very badly. Then at night, instead of getting a peaceful sleep, we end up having hundreds of thoughts running in our mind and disturbing our sleep. This is the perfect condition we have set up not only for developing high blood pressure but also other diseases like obesity, diabetes, heart problems, and others. Now there are two kinds of high blood pressure. We have primary and secondary. Primary kind of high blood pressure is what we just spoke about, which occurs because of your bad lifestyle choices or high stress. So this can be corrected by taking effective medicines and also changing your daily routines and habits. The other kind, which is the secondary hypertension, occurs because of some other disease which is already there in your body. It could be some kidney problems or diabetes or thyroid and others. So until and unless these diseases are treated first, the BP will not come back to normal. So this is the reason why different people suffering with high blood pressure receive different medications. I will be telling you about 5 remedies which can be taken depending upon your kind of symptoms. So under the guidance of your doctor, add 10 to 15 drops of the recommended medicines in half cup of warm water and take it at least half an hour before food 3 times a day. Follow this routine for about 7 to 10 days and you yourself will be able to feel the difference. The first remedy is Rauwolfia serpentina. So this remedy has been in use for thousands of years in Ayurveda, where it is called as Sarpagandha. People who are under great stress and are not able to concentrate or perform well in their work area can use this remedy very effectively. Within 10 to 15 days of using this medicine, you can find that your mind is relaxing and you would be able to perform better at your workplace. The second remedy is Crataegus. So this mother tincture is also called as the heart tonic in homeopathy. It is very helpful in people who find that whenever they are stressed, their heart begins to beat very fast and hard. It is also very helpful if you're not able to breathe properly just by walking for a small distance. So this Crataegus mother tincture will not only restore back your BP to normal, but would also help in restoring the strength of your heart. The next remedy is Allium sativum. So this is prepared from garlic, which is naturally a very good medicine for your heart health. If you're developing very high blood pressure all of a sudden, then take 15 to 20 drops of this medicine, and you can find that within 20 to 30 minutes you will find great relief and will be relieved from this high blood pressure. The fourth remedy is Passiflora. So if you're a person who is always stressed and not able to sleep even one bit at night, constantly thoughts are running in your mind, and no matter what you do, you're not able to fall asleep, then by using this Passiflora medicine, you can find great relief. By regularly using this remedy, you can calm down your mind, reduce your thoughts, and also get a peaceful night of sleep. The next remedy is Gloninum. Headache is one of the very important symptoms of high blood pressure. So if you're not able to work and you're getting severe headaches, and if you're feeling irritated very easily, then Gloninum can provide you great relief. So this was the part 1 of high blood pressure series. Please do watch the part 2 where I'll be talking in depth about how to make the right lifestyle changes and also the diet which has to be followed in high blood pressure patients. If you found this video helpful, do like. You can ask your queries or questions in the comment section. Do share it among your friends and family. Subscribe to this channel for more such informative content. Stay healthy. Bye.